So this install that we did was a Jayco North Point. It is a 43-foot bunkhouse model. It has 2 air conditioners, standard 50 amp coach. The customer wanted an off-grid capable system that was going to allow him to do some extended tailgating. On this coach, the customer has a mobile Champion generator capable of doing 4,650 watts. It's a standard inverter generator. This happens to be a dual fuel with electric start. Pretty nice generator. So this is going to be his generator. He doesn't have an onboard generator, so that freed up some space on the inside for us. He wanted to be able to run his system overnight, keeping an air conditioner going to stay, somewhat cool in mild climates if the need arose. So for this install, we ended up going with 2 multi+2 2x120s in parallel, and to provide the total power consumption that he was going to need, and also assist in being able to charge the battery bank a little bit faster off of his 4,600 watt generator. 2 inverters are laying on our back above the generator compartment. They're sitting side by side. On the roof, we have 2,000 watts of solar panels. They're split up into 2 series sets of 5, coming down to a Victron 15070 solar charge controller. We also have the servo for communication with a Touch 70 mounted inside. As far as the battery bank and distribution system goes, we have 2 distributors with a Lynx Smart BMS, because we went with the Victron 200 amp hour 25.6 volt batteries. Tucked away in a nice little box to help protect the batteries. Because it's a 24 volt system, we also included 2 DC converters. There are 24 to 12 volt converters capable of continuous output of 70 amps apiece. They will surge up to 95 amps, but there's 70 amps continuous output, and we chose to go that route because of the hydraulic leveling system for the coach. And then we also installed 2 air conditioner easy starts up in the air conditioners. If you have any questions or are interested in having us do a system for you, give us a call, Panels Up Solar, 228-363-9121, or reach out to us on our website, panelsupsolar.com.